Our top story tonight, a federal judge has struck down South Carolina's ban on same-sex marriage.
This morning, a U.S. district judge ruled against the state's constitutional amendment preventing same-sex couples from getting married. So, can same-sex couples in South Carolina get hitched starting today? Joining us live from the Greenville News Center to answer that question is News 13's Darren Botello. Darren?
Well, the short answer is no. Same-sex couples in South Carolina cannot get married yet, but that may change a week from tomorrow. Same-sex couples in South Carolina could be tying the knot as early as next Thursday.
November the 20th at 12:01 p.m., marriage licenses will be issued to same-sex couples unless between now and then a higher court issues an order directing us otherwise.
Greenville County Probate Judge Deborah Faulkner says this latest ruling came this morning from U.S. District Court Judge Mark Gergel, who says the state's ban on same-sex marriage is in violation of the U.S. Constitution. But South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson says the state will fight Judge Gergel's order in the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals.
The Court of Appeals could come back and say, okay, the state of South Carolina is going to appeal this decision to the higher court. And so long as it's on appeal, there will be no marriage licenses issued.
Judge Faulkner says this year other states in the Fourth Circuit have already brought their cases against same-sex marriage to the U.S. Supreme Court.
So what that means is the decision by the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals becomes the law of the case.
Meanwhile, here in the upstate, some residents we spoke with, like Sherry Means, say they would like to do away with South Carolina's ban.
I think it's like freedom of speech, freedom of choice. They have the choice to make their own decisions.
While others say they would like to stick with the status quo.
As a Christian man, I just don't believe in same-sex.
And South Carolina's Attorney General Alan Wilson says that they've already started the appeal process. Live in Greenville News Center, Darren Botello, News 13.